Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to give object level permission in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to object accesses, and then we will need just to define the profiles, etc. So basically, we need to go to the object manager first from setup, and then we need to click on any object that we would like, and from there, we need just go and check their permissions. So from here, I will choose, for example, uh, activity, or it can be an account or anything. And basically, you will need, after that, you will need just to go and choose the object access. So here we can find object access, and those are the permission sets. So basically those are the labels, and those are all the permissions that you can use. So those are the group of permissions, and those are the profiles that are allowed to use this object account. So for example, the user license, which are uh, let's just have this label. So basically the analytics cloud user security user are able to use these, so to read, create, etc. So now if we want to modify them, we need just to go to user management settings, and from there we need just to disable these profile user interface. Then we can go to profiles, and from there we can start choosing any profile that you would like. So for example, the contract manager, and then we need to search for the object permissions. So I'm just going to click on edit, and then we need to scroll to object settings. So let's just go to the administrative permission. You can change them, and there is also the general user permissions, and of course the object permissions. So from here you can choose any object, and you can assign the permissions that you would like, and then you will need just to save. And of course there is also the custom objects permission if you have any other custom objects, and you will define their permission. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.